How to ignore messages and unignore messages on Messenger. If you are looking to ignore or unignore messages in Facebook Messenger, then here is a step-by-step guide to help you manage your conversation without completely deleting or blocking the people. So first of all, open the Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Messenger account. In addition to ignoring messages, you can also archive conversation to hide them from your inbox without deleting them. So all you have to do is look for the conversation you want to ignore and long press on that conversation. You can simply swipe left on the conversation you want to archive as well, or tap and hold the conversation in iOS and the Android. Now then you can see archive option available in the options. Tap on the archive. The conversation will be hidden from your inbox but still accessible if you search for it. Now, in order to get back to the archive text, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard option available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your Messenger profile settings. Now, tap on the archive option available there. Once you tap on the archive, you will get to see the list of archived chats. From there, all you have to do is tap on the chat you want to unarchive. You can follow the same process, long press on it and tap on the unarchive, and it will move back to your main inbox. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.